What's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. So today we're gonna talk about a little bit more of the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. And as you may know, I already published a video on that, so check the video right here if you haven't already. And let's talk about more in specific of the camera sensor that this new phone should have. And probably I'm gonna tell it right now because it will be the best camera phone on the market at the moment. This is just because thanks to the new sensor, the new 1-inch sensor, that actually on smartphones, it is not the actual size of the sensor. So the sensor in diagonal is not 1 inch, but it is a long story. Let's say that it is bigger than other sensor. I will show you right now an image that represent this sensor and also the other sensor, just to let you know how big it is. Anyway, as I was saying, it will be like one of the best on the market just for the collaboration between this new sensor that it is a Sony IMX989, and it is one of the newest sensor from Sony, and it is actually one of the biggest one, as you already seen. And so a collaboration between this sensor and also the Leica lenses. As you may know, Leica, it is a very big camera brand and it does make very good lenses. And actually right now I am recording with my Lumix GH5S and I am using a Leica lens, of course, and I can tell that the quality of these lenses, it is epic, and it will be also on the phones. Anyway, I will show you also some samples taken with this phone, and also I did publish on my YouTube page. You can see on my community tab in my profile, you can see those images in full resolution, we can say. So here on the video you will see it compressed, but we can already see that the quality on this phone, it is very high. And of course, these are taken by professional photographers and these are edited probably, but to take some kind of shot, you have to start from a very good base. And this smartphone, I think it is very good. But I am not too much interested into the stills on this smartphone, but I am interested into videos, because as I already said, the Mi 11 Ultra took very good videos and I'm not expecting less from this 12s Ultra. And I hope that this sensor, this new sensor and the collaboration with Leica lenses will give us just very good results also in video. Anyway, the phone will be equipped with, of course, the newest Snapdragon, so the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So it is the best on the market. You can see already some tests on the internet. And also it will be equipped with the newest battery on the market. And this Xiaomi 12s series will be the first one on the market to have these batteries. And they are called lithium cobalt oxide batteries. And they are a little bit different than the standard batteries because this one can provide more power with lower temperature. So the batteries in your smartphone will not be overheated and will not drain all of that power when they just overheat. And of course, by doing that, they did change the charge chip. So they have a new one just specific for these new batteries. It is made from Xiaomi. All of this combined can just improve your battery life by 3 to 5%. That I think it is a lot. Then with this new Xiaomi 12s series will be launched also the new Xiaomi Band, and it is called the Xiaomi Band 7 Pro, and it is kind of like the Huawei Band, but we will see that in the launch event. And I think it will be probably given for free if you buy one of these 12s series, probably the Pro or the 12s Ultra. But also I think they will launch another product that will be the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and I don't think it will be from the same family of the 12s. In fact, I think it will be called just 12 Lite, and I think it has a good design. I like the square design, and it is of course a mid-range phone, but also it does have some very good cameras. So very curious about this phone, and especially if it has a very good price. Anyway, for this quick video, that's been it. So hope you liked it. Just hit a like button if you did, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I think I will see you in the next video, and for sure I will see you after July 4, because that is the date where these new Xiaomi devices will be presented. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.